What's up, guys? I want to show you guys on how you can easily set up your UTrading AI bot for spot trading. For what? For spot trading. You guys just make sure to stick around and watch this video to the end, and try to subscribe, like, and share this video to all your community. So let's dive into the video right now. You must have connect your account with either Binance or OKs. I've already made video for that, how you can connect your Binance and Bybit. So if you want to set up your UTrading AI bot with your for spot trading, you're gonna come to this particular robot, or you're gonna come to trade. Come to this particular trade area. All right, come to trade. Is that simple? So when you come to trade, make sure you leave your account must be on manual. On what? On manual. All right, you can see my cursor. Click on this particular arrow where I pointed, like this. You can see we have different type of, we have AI DCA Pro, but just make sure to scroll down to the DCA spots. This particular one, I see this one, DCA. Can you see spot side? You can see this is the one, DCA. You can see this is spot trading. You can see this is spot. You can see DCA spot. Then you click on it like this. You click on the boat here. Then you need to, this is BTC, because if let's say you have $500, $200, all right, you want to do spot trading, you're gonna come to this particular area and change to the to other coin. All right, you can see we have a lot of coin. I normally trade like SRP, ETH. All right, so and this, okay, wait, let me just do it again. Let me just click on the spot trading again. Let me just change it to, you can see. So I normally go for this particular one, SRP, Solana, BNB. All right, and this one, yeah, can you see? So let me just go for, my favorite coin is this one, because it's a good coin, Solana. You click on it. So when you click on it, let's say you want to buy Solana with $100 at a time, but don't buy it with $100 at a time. All right, make sure you split your money. If you want to buy Solana with $100, divide the money into 3. You can say your first in amount can be $30, or if you want to buy Solana with $50, make it $20 on your first in buy amount. Or let's do it this way. Let me just put in $20 on my first in buy amount for Solana. You put your initial question is what? Let me just put $20 as my, all right, $20. Then I want to, then you click on this one, smart covering. This one, you can leave it on cycle. Now this particular single means to be just make you profit and get out of the market. Why this particular one to be keep trading for you over and over? Is that simple? So you can see. Then right now, just make sure to scroll down. Then let's say you want to buy Solana with $100, but you can buy in 5 times, which is 5 times, or let's say 5 times. Okay, let me just use $60 to buy Solana, but I will not use that $60 to buy at once. I will just be buying a small. I will just first buy like $20 on. All right, then let me just scroll down. Then you can change this one to steady. All right, then come to this, your mass order, then size multiple. Your mass order is 3. Make sure this one is 3. All right, it's 3. Then your size multiple, change this one to 1 only. Make sure this one is 1. It's that simple. Okay, then you it's that simple. Then the price gap means when Solana drop by 2%. Let me just make it like 2%, 2%, and this one to be buying, this one 2% every 2. So when Solana drop by 2%, it will buy another order for me. Then your trade profit, you can make it 1%. You can make it as 1%, or like this. let's say 1% or 1.5%. Let me just make it at 1% to be faster. 1% is okay to just be faster. All right, like this, 1%. All right, for spot trading, you click on OK. It's that simple. For your take profits, all right, it's that simple. All right, it's just so after you have already done, so you can leave it for like 1 week, or this particular 2 cycle means to be the single means to just trade and leave the trade, to just trade once and leave it, to just trade once and leave it, to just trade on and leave it. That's the meaning of this single. Then on this particular one, we call it cycle, to be trading over and over. All right, so you can just leave it as cycle to be trading for you. So once you do that, all right, for $20 on your first in-buy amount, all right, then you're gonna come to this particular area, then you click on this launch. Let me just show you. All right, you click on launch, and you see I've already launched the coin. It's that simple. Then you're gonna come to this particular area to check your trading. You can see it has already buy for me right now. And if you want to stop the trade, if you want to stop it, you just click it like this. Then you click on you click on stop. You don't want to trade anymore, you will just click on stop. You can see my cursor down below, down here. You just click on stop, then the bot will stop automatically. It's that simple. It's that simple. All right, it's that simple. Then if you want to pause, you pause. But if you don't want to if you want to stop trading entirely, just come to spot, then it will stop automatically. It's that simple. But the robot, but when you if you want to edit the something, you come to this area, then you click on modify. Let's say you want to just put it on single trading. You click on single means to just trade for you once and leave it. All right, why cycle means to be trading for you over and over. Hope you understand now. It's that simple. Then you come to this, all right, save. It's that simple. Let me just put on I just want to trade for me once. I'll just click on save. It's that simple. It's that simple. This is how you can set up your spot trading on UTrading. Then the bot will start trading for you. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video, all right, to all your community. Thank you guys for watching. The link is down below this video. Register, join my Telegram group and my WhatsApp community. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe. Bye for now.